Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about WSL, which is a really interesting and important tool if you're just starting robotics. If you want to build on Linux, but you have the problem to dual boot and set it up and all these problems, WSL is for you. And in this video, I would quickly run through how to set it up and use Linux on your Windows system. So to start off with, we open the command prompt and then we give in the command WSL dash dash install. So what this will do is it'll install WSL and also it'll install the default Ubuntu. Uh, Once that is installed, we would type WSL dash dash list online, which would give the different Linux distributions which we can download from the Windows Store. Now, after we know what distribution we need, we just go for wsl-install Ubuntu 18.04, which we have chosen here, and then that will go ahead and install Ubuntu 18.04. And then we set the Unix username, password, and once we've done that, we have set Ubuntu. To work on it on like just any terminal, we use the terminal from the Windows Store and then we open up Ubuntu 18.04 from there. And then it's just like any other Linux terminal where we can give in these commands. So here we are giving mkdir or ls or cd or all these Linux commands, and you can just do it how you would. So if you want a more graphical user interface, you can use VS Code, and in VS Code you can enable WSL extension. Once you go there, you can go to the respective Ubuntu distribution, and once you click there, it's as if you are into that Ubuntu machine, and you can see all the different files in this Explorer. And also you can bring in the terminal and write your code, and this gives a complete package. That was not difficult, right? So you could quickly set up Linux on your Windows machine and start off with your robotics project. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to get weekly robotics content.